Hi, Assalamualaikum, and a very good day to everyone. My presentation today will introduce ROBOJIM, a practice as research project that explore how Jawi writings can be preserved through animation, 3D design, and transformable robotic toys. Yes, you heard it right. It's about toys. Okay. Before I go further, I would like to start this presentation with an iconic funny scene from Pendekar Bujang Lapuk. Alif, Ye, Mim, Buaya, directed by Piramli in 1959, 2 years after Malaysia gained its independence. It shows how our people still lagging in terms of reading and writing. But ironically, after almost 69 years, this still relevant. Not because we are not progressing in terms of education, but we are well versed in Roman script but somehow still weak in Jawi. This is mainly because Jawi was once the dominant script of the Malay world, but it declined followed the adoption of Roman alphabet as our official scripts for our official language instead of Jawi. So Jawi used today mostly limited to religious context or ceremonial context. Younger generation shows decreasing Jawi literacy, and Jawi often sees as static to the old-fashioned form. We can see the kerancuan or frenzy in Jawi spelling viral on social media. For example, the Selamat Hari Raya banner, sorry, the Salam Aidil Fitri was mirrored in the design and unreadable. Then there's a wrong spelling in the banner of Raudah TV9. Jawi letters are not connected. In one of the signage in Semenyih, unidentified Jawi word on a new party logo. Then even the wrong spelling of Allah in one of the mosques in Malacca. So, problem statement, Jawi lost its position or status. Jawi lost its importance in Malaysia culture. Its position was challenged, declining mastery and relevance of Jawi among youth. Jawi often perceived as only religious or ethnic symbol, not part of popular youth culture, and then there's a limited effective creative efforts in creative industries such as animation, toys, or interactive media. So there's a risk of Jawi becoming museum heritage instead of living practice. So the purpose of the study, instead of teaching Jawi only through textbook, this study explore preservation through creative engagement, touching, transforming, and playing by producing the Jawi in form of robotic in form of transformable robotic toys. Okay, so the method we adopt practice as research, PR and art-based research (ABR), where the key process is analyzing Jawi forms, sketch, annotation, 3D modeling. From the 3D modeling we go to 3D printing prototypes, animation of transformation with user feedback and reflection. Creative practice is both the method and the result, making, testing, reflecting, and redesigning toys and animation. This is our conceptual framework. Um, we have design thinking where empathy, define, ideate, prototype, test. It's interactive process. Then we combine it with Homo Ludens philosophy, where Homo Ludens philosophy stated that there are play element in every single things in our even in our custom, even in our law. And he stated as human is a playing creature. Then we combine it with toyetic principle. Toyetic term is actually the merchandise value from our film or animation. It first coined by toy executive from Kenner, a toy company who owns Star Wars toy series of toys. Then toyetic principle will make it this visually appealing, functional, transformation, commercial and educational potential. The creative output will be limited to 4 character design based on Jim Alif Wawiyah. Then 3D the design will be transformed into 3D models where we use it for 3D printed prototypes, and the models can be animated to produce animation transformation sequence. Then at the end we will have a design framework for heritage toys creation. So the key significance and conclusion, it is to make Jawi interactive and fun. We connect culture, technology. We support and it will support UNESCO intangible cultural heritage goals. To encourage youth identity formation and to show creative practice as research. Heritage survives when it evolves. ROBOJIM keeps Jawi alive, not just in book, but in hands, imagination, and play. For as a conclusion, I will show some of our early testing animation to show our idea in how to transform the letters into an animated character and then further into animated character toys. So with that, I thank you.